Hello buddy, today I got a VHS unboxing for January 27th, 2024. This is going to be my first unboxing video for 2024. This one has arrived, everything else has not arrived yet. I need to fix that tonight, but this is the one I got today. Well, it arrived 2 weeks ago. So yeah, let's get started. I ordered this on Amazon. Okay. Well, this one has an address in it, so I can't show that. Stop. Okay, here's what I got. This is the 1999 VHS of Sesame Street's The Adventures of Elmo and Grocery and Seek and Play. A special bonus includes an episode of Elmo's World. Here's the spine. And the back. Plus a special visit in Elmo's World to play with and learn about balls. Running time is 50 minutes. There's a tape stick-away bowl. This tape has no print dates. Alright, that wrap it up for my VHS unboxing for January 27th, 2024. See you in the next video.